Welcome to the Shopify GraphQL Connector Quickstart Guide. This video will outline how to install and configure the Shopify GraphQL tool, focusing on creating connections via an access token and alternatively using OAuth. You will require BPA Platform 2021 or above, and the Shopify GraphQL Connector. The BPA platform-related software can be downloaded via the partner area on the Codeless Platforms website. Firstly, we will open the downloaded folder. We will begin by running the installer for the connector tool. Click Next. For this demonstration, we will keep the install path as default. Click Next, then click Install. And then click Finish. To begin, in BPA Platform, go to System, Tools, Data Connectors. Then open the Shopify GraphQL Connector. In the Global Configuration window, click Add. Then we will enter a connection name. For this demonstration, we will name it Access Token. Then click Next. This will take us to the Shopify Connection General node, where we can enter the credentials. To locate the details we need to populate this window, we will log into Shopify using our administrator account and select the store. In this demonstration, we are using a development store. Then click Settings. Then click Domains. Here we can see the domain name for our store. To locate the access token, under Apps and Sales Channels, click Develop Apps and select the app. And then click the API Credentials tab. Then copy your access key. Back in BPA Platform, we can now enter our domain name. Under Authentication, select the Access Token radio button. Then copy and paste the access token. Next, we need to click Test Connection to ensure all of our details are correct. In the API version drop-down, select the most appropriate recent option. Please note, these API versions are updated by Shopify on a quarterly basis and will require reconfiguration when either notified of a change by Shopify or via the Shopify Developer Changelog. Then click Apply and click Next. In the Shopify Connection Cache node, we can now click Load Cache. This will load the metadata from Shopify for the API version we selected in the previous node. This can be updated at any time by selecting the same button, which is renamed to Refresh Cache, once the initial caching has taken place. The connection is now complete. We can check the connection status by clicking on the Shopify Connection node. This will summarize our current connection. Then click OK to close. In the Global Configuration window, click Add. We will name this connection OAuth, and then click Next. In the Shopify Connection General node, enter your domain. This is the same process as described earlier in this video. Under Authentication, select the OAuth radio button and click Authorize. This will then open a web browser window where you will be required to sign into your Shopify account. Back in BPA Platform, next we need to click Test Connection to ensure all of our details are correct. Then in the API version drop-down, select one of the available versions. We will select the most recent. Then click Apply. Click Next, In the Cache node, click Load Cache. The OAuth connection is now complete. We can now click the Shopify connection node to see a summary of our current connection. Click OK to close. We can now see our configured connection in the Global Configuration window. This tool supports partial configuration. Previously, any global configurations could not be saved until all the connection requirements had been met. However, this functionality allows the user to save a connection at any point in its setup. In this window, we have the option to enable extended logging. Selecting this option exposes the full XML parsed between the connector and Shopify, which is valuable for debugging purposes. As this option will store potentially large amounts of data in the BPA platform event log, it is not recommended for normal operations. Without extended logging, the event log only contains start and end of transaction messages, plus any error messages encountered at runtime. This concludes the Shopify GraphQL Connector Quickstart Guide. In our next video, we will look at the GraphQL Object Designer tab within this tool, where you can create standard queries and mutations, or design freehand queries for integrations to and from your Shopify account. And that's it for this BPA platform Quickstart Guide. Call us for further information or visit codelessplatforms.com. Thanks for watching.